So if you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Pieros Cherotich. I've been in this opportunity of Neolife now. I'm doing my 12th year. I joined the business on 17th of July 2010 together with my husband, Josephat, here. And we have been such excited people because we've learned a lot through this business. We've grown a lot through this business. And I know today on this call, we have people who just joined the business. Maybe the other day, you've not been so long in this business. You may also have stayed for long, but you are not making a lot of progress. But guess what? 2022 is the year to watch. And I believe all of us are ready to take steps to the next level. So welcome on board. Tonight, we are going to learn some of the few basic training that we need to have so that we can be able to grow our businesses. You know, for you to grow your business, you have to know what you are doing. Sometimes we may be doing so much, we don't know exactly where to focus on. That's why today we are here. And all of us, we came from somewhere, we came from a job, we came from another business. Now we landed in network marketing. And you can't come into network marketing with the same mindsets for employment or whatever else you have been doing. So that is why the learning is really very important, so that you can be able to get to know what you need to know so that you can grow your business. I believe all of us on this call, we want to grow a huge business, an empire. And you know what? I was reading a quote that said that network marketing makes the most millionaires comparing to any other business around the world. So I am so excited because we are privileged. All of us are privileged to be in this wonderful opportunity whereby it is making the most millionaires. So it's up to us to make the most out of this business, to grow ourselves through this business, and to make sure that we also impact in people's lives. So we will be learning a few things. I will be sharing with us. If you are so new, you will be able to understand what is network marketing. We will be able to get to know what we are supposed to do for us to grow the business. And because we all know that we are in a business which has products, we have great products that are able to really help you grow by consuming them, by sharing with other people, and by making sure that you get to grow. So every Tuesday in the Superstars team, we love to train because there are so many things that we need to know about our business that will help us to move to the next level in the business. So I'll share my screen and share with us what network marketing is all about. Because sometimes you really get confused. There are so many people who confuse network marketing with even pyramid schemes, with some of the scams that are around. But you need to understand network marketing. It is the process of developing a network or an organization of people who use a product or service. So if someone invites you to something without a product or service, then that is not network marketing. So these people will share that product or service with their friends, their relatives, and other independent distributors. So as these people share the service or the product, their network or organization will grow big. So the larger the network, the better for you. So compensation is both from your own personal sales and the volume of the retail sales that is generated by all the people that are under you. So how long has network marketing been there? Over 50 years. Actually now over 50 years. It has been providing opportunities for people who want to start their own businesses, and they can even run their business from home. And through the same, you can create additional income and take control of your life. So it has become so big so that it is even contributing to over $50 billion. I mean, it's a $50 billion industry that involves all economic strata in virtually every developed country in the world. So we are so lucky because our Neolife business is in over 50 countries around the world. So the advantages of being in network marketing, you may think just about money, but there is so much more, which is more than money. And I'm so grateful that when we joined the business close to 12 years ago, we've gained all this and even the money. So why is network marketing important? One of the advantages is that as you grow in this business, you will develop yourself as a person. You will be so different because you are learning people's skills. You will also be a business owner. You know, you are not going to work for anybody in this business. You come to work for yourself. So you become a business owner. You own your business. Yes. Then you will become a leader. There's leadership when you come. There's a leadership that will guide you. But in the process of being led, by and by you become a leader. So you get into leadership. Then there is internal system in place. You are in business for yourself, but not by yourself. You know, the company does everything that's like distribution, you know, we are given the website, you know, all the logistics are done by the company. Remember, in any traditional business, if you put up a shop today, everything is up to you. But here, you are not alone in the business. Then, the best of all, network marketing advantage is residual income. So that you grow your business and one day you will be reaping from the same business that you grew some years back. That is why I want to challenge all of us. You need to get focused on this business because one day, one time, we are going to reap when you have retired, when you are not able to do anything. If if anything happens to you, you also leave a legacy. So that residual income is income that comes to you whether you work or not. And I believe all of us are geared towards that. And if I may ask, how many of us on this call, if you stop doing what you are doing, where you are employed today, you stopped working, how many will still be getting their salary forever and ever? It's not possible. But here in when you build your business, you build your network, it will give you residual income even when you are not working the business. Yes, and this graph that I'm showing on this is very, very important for each one of us. Remember, as an employee, you are overpaid in the beginning, but underpaid for the rest of your life. So you start somewhere, but most of the time you just keep going down, 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 and the expenses are going up. But an entrepreneur, especially in network marketing, from our graph, you can see, yes, you will start from down here, but you will move steadily upwards. So in the beginning, you are underpaid, and finally or later, you will be overpaid for the rest of your life. Which one would you choose? Would you just choose to be an employee and stick in one point for the rest of your life? Of course, no. You are going to build a business that will grow and get you overpaid. So the unfortunate thing with so many people is that they are looking at the underpayment at the beginning. No, you need to focus on where you are going. And what happens is this, and I believe all of us on this call, we've gone through this. We say that the catch to network marketing is that you must accept a temporary loss of social esteem from ignorant people. There are so many people outside there who are waiting to discourage you. I meet people on a daily basis. They enjoy the business, they get excited. But when they go back home, there's so many people, there are so many people outside there waiting to discourage them. There are dream stealers outside there. But what we are saying is this is the catch. Accept that temporary loss. Let people laugh at you. Let people discourage you. And these are ignorant people because they know nothing about network marketing. Some will tell you, oh, we were in this business, but what do they know? So you need to be able to be ready. So if you are new in the business, 1 year, 2 years in this business, or even less than 1 year, just know this catch. Accept the temporary loss of social esteem from ignorant people. And those are especially people who are close to us. Okay, so as we grow our business, we need to know some of the terminologies, and they are really very important for your growth. I know most of you hear in trainings, we talk about PV, especially if you are new in the business. You have your kit, you have your price list. The price list, when you're writing an order, it will ask you for PVs, okay? When at the end of the month, your director will always call you to make PVs. So what is PVs? PVs is a new life currency, which is the same worldwide. It removes the effect of inflation and exchange rate fluctuations. So this is actually the point value, the value attached to every product. And it is uniform all over the world. In 2018, I was in Mexico, and I remember I saw the PV of ProVitality is 36. The point value of ProVitality is 36, just the way it is in Kenya. So that is point value. This is the currency that is used worldwide. So when you go to South Africa, the same. LDC is 10 points. You go to any other country, magnesium is 12 points, 11 points, sorry. So that is the point value. Then we have personal points. So personal point volume, or PPV, are the points that you make in your name. This is the total volume of points personally ordered from the company in your ID. So if you are buying for a customer or even for your own use, those are still personal points, as long as you are placing it in your name. So how many PVs are you required to make? So to participate in the compensation plan, you should never make below 100 points for any qualification in Neolife. And this is one thing that each one of us on this call needs to know. I've seen people doing 100 points this month, 500 next month, and they do 0 PVs the next month. No, you are supposed to do the minimum is 100 points every month. So I got that from the word go, and now I'm going to be 12 years in July, and I've been doing more than 100 PVs every month. And that has contributed to my success a lot. So I encourage all of us, make sure you are doing not less than 100 points. And if you want to do it better, do it within the first week of the business month. Like within this week, make your 100 points. And it is because we are supposed to use products every month, okay? Then we have QPV. This is qualifying point volume. Now, this is the sum of all the points in your team, those people who are under you, everybody who comes under you, whether they are distributors, they are managers, they are senior managers, and they can even be executive managers. So it is inclusive of your own points, they are 100 points. So if you don't have the 100 points, you are not going to get the points from other people under you. Hope you got that. If you don't have your own 100 points, you are not going to have to or get points from people under you. Even if anybody did 1,000 points, you will not inherit those points simply because you don't have the minimum number of points. So this QPV will determine the qualification results achieved. That is the sales volume bonus percentage. So the percentage at which you are paid is determined by your qualifying points. That's why having a team is very, very important. We say that the money in Neolife is in the product, but the power of this money is in the network. So that network will give you the qualifying points. And of course, we have the BV, which is the bonus value. Now, this is going to be the local currency. So when you see BV, for example, of maybe aloe vera, it is 890. That is 890 Kenya shillings. So it's in the local currency. So this is where the percentages now apply on the bonus volume. Then SRP is the retail price. That is the suggested retail price, the price at which you are recommended to sell the products. So it is suggested because if you are in Nairobi and you want to send the products to Meru, you can't just use that SRP on the price list. You have to add some delivery fee. So that is why it is suggested. So we have the suggested retail price, and it's not good to over-exaggerate from where it is. So try to maintain that and explain to your customer that maybe you are adding because of delivery. Then the distributor price is the wholesale cost that the product is available to our Neolife distributors. So don't forget that Neolife does not sell products to anyone else who is not a member. It only sells their products to their members. So all the members are given 25% discount, meaning that as a distributor, you get discounted prices, and it is called the distributor price. So you will get all this in your price list and even in your marketing plan. So you find that when you have 250 points all the way to 499 points, which is qualifying with your team, you earn the bonus volume at 3%. Okay, so that means 0 to 249 points, the percentages don't apply. And that is why there are people who ask questions like, why didn't I get a bonus? I joined the business, but I have not gotten any bonus, because you do not meet the threshold. So the threshold is 250 points to 499. They can be personal, I'll be showing you, or they can be together with your team. Now, for you to earn at 5%, you have to have between 500 to 999 points. So you will earn at 5%. Don't forget, you need your 100 points. If you don't have 100 points, even if you are given 900 points, you will not earn at any percentage. 1,000 to 1999, 10%. You know, 2,000 to 2,999, 15%. 3,000 to 3,999, 20%. And 4,000 points and above, together with your team, will earn you at 25%. So that is the sales volume bonus chart that the company uses every month to help you to pay out their bonuses to all of us. So it is very important to understand this, because sometimes you ask yourself, why was I not paid? Why was I paid less than last month? Why? Because we are in a business. So it depends. You are the one to write your own bonus. You are the one to pay yourself. So if you get 3,000 points, you are paid at 20%. If you get 500 points, there is no way you can be paid like the person paid at 20%. So watch out on this. And I want to bring to your attention that there are people sometimes at the end of the month, they get 1,900 points or 990 points. What is the problem with this person? They'll be paid at 10%, yet they would have been paid at 15% if they only added 10 points. I hope you understand that. So we need to really get to understand. If you need to be on the lookout that just before we close the month, you make sure you have gotten to the best bracket that you can. So if you find yourself you have 900, you just need to add 100 points so that you are paid at 10%. So that is why working with your upline director is the best thing you can ever do as a distributor or a member of Neolife. So now this is where we are. You start as a distributor when you join the business. So if you've paid 9,280 recently, then you are called a distributor. We also have another term, which is promoter. You become a promoter or a distributor. Now, you are going to be a manager. That is the next level, our ladder, senior manager, you know. From there, we have director. From there, we have emerald director. From there, we have world team members. And then we have the president team members, which is the top of Neolife. So I want to encourage all of us, even if you are down there at distributor, we were also there one time. And you can climb all the way to be a president team member, only if you work the business. We also now have another new level that has come that is called the executive manager. And this is, I'm just going to show you right away how you get to this. But remember, this is the ladder, starting right from distributor. So everyone, even if you see now it's, someone is a president team member, they were once distributors. So because we have said the company starts paying from manager, then you need to understand how to become a manager. So for the first two levels, which is manager and senior manager, there is an incentive by the company. So Neolife has given an incentive to any person who starts a business and wants to rank up to manager and senior manager. It is called fast track to manager and senior manager. So for you to be a fast track to manager, it is available anytime first, and then you need 250 personal points. So these are personal points, and the points in the kit are included. When you join, you get 36 points. The points in the kit are included. So this should happen within 1 month. In a month, if you get 250 points within the same business month, then you find that you will be called a manager. And they have to be your personal points, not points from your team. So personal points. If you have 500, you are fast tracked to senior manager. 500 personal points. The points in the kit are also included. So they have to be done in 1 month. So if you join and you have 36 points and you add up to 500, you will be called a senior manager. So how do you become a qualified manager? So I've shown you the fast track, but there's another way to become a manager. If your orders plus the orders of the people under you are 500 qualifying points, but yours must be 100. So you do a minimum of 100, you can do 200. The higher you do, the better for you. Then, so you do 500 with your team and yours is 100. So we have the benefits of a manager. You will be recognized, by the way, highly recognized. You are given a pin of a manager. You attend special manager schools. You also earn retail profits, because when you have 250 personal points or even 500 with your team, and you are able to share the products with other people, then you have retail profits. And you are paid at 5% of your team efforts. And of course, when you are a manager, you are on your way to senior manager. How do you become a qualified senior manager? You need to accumulate 1,000 points. So this is not fast track. This is qualified senior manager. You accumulate 1,000 QPV in 1 month with at least 100 personal points. So with that, you're going to be a senior manager. And the benefits are that you'll also get recognition by being given a pin, a beautiful pin of a senior manager. You'll attend senior manager schools. You will get retail profits. You will also be paid at 10% of your team effort. You remember the chart? Then you get free products on being a QSM. You get a QSM incentive if you sponsor 3 people, each with 100 points. And again, you are now on your way to director. Why do we say that you are on your way to director when you become a senior manager? It is because this is where your points will start accumulating. So once you become a qualified senior manager, your points will accumulate every other month to take you towards director. Okay? So how do you become a director? First of all, you have to be either a new life senior manager or an executive manager. As long as you are a senior manager, it is easy for you to become a director. You accumulate 10,000 qualifying points in a period of 6 months. So within a period of 6 months, any 6 months, it doesn't matter whether you are already 2 years in the business, any given 6 months, as long as they are consecutive months, you accumulate 10,000 points with your team. And another condition is you do 4,000 QPV or qualifying points in your last month of qualifying. So the last month where you are adding up to 10,000 or more, you should have 4,000 qualifying points. Then you will be called a director. And of course, every given month, you need not to have less than 100 personal points. So these 100 points, let it stick to each one of us. It's very important, very, very important that every month you need to do. So there are examples that I have over here. I hope it is very clear to all of us. These are examples. We have these distributor results. We have result A, we have result B, and we have result C. So with result A, you have this person has been doing a personal points of 100 every month, which is minimum. When you do more, remember the bonus is higher. So personal points 100 every month for person A. The QPV in the first month, January is 1,000, February 1,000, March 1,000, April 1,500, May 1,500. And if you get 4,000 points in June, you get to 10,000, and you become a fully qualified director in June. Lucky enough, we are working on this in January. So you now have, if you are below director, you choose which option you are going to take. B, 100 personal points every month, but the QPVs as shown. And the last month, you have 4,800, which will help you to add up to 10,000. If you get 4,000 the last month, it means you are less 800 and you can't be a director. But the person C cannot be a director, although they have more than 10,000 points. Why? Because in May, they did 50 personal points. That person cannot be a director because you now break the accumulation. So once you start the accumulation, the 100 points is very, very important. So I believe it's clear. You can see that this person, the person B on the month 4 had only 100 points. They will not get a check or a bonus, but they will continue accumulating their points. So even if your team does not do much, just continue with your 100 points. Very, very important. And guess what? You will be able to get to director. So when you look at this other one, they did 50 points when the team gave them 2,000. That is where the mistake is. So you find when your director tells you don't miss your 100 points or 250 points or 500 points, please don't, because they know why. So this accumulation is very important. For more clarification, you can speak to your director. So this person C, the last month they get 4,800. Sometimes you get discouraged because the team did not do much. But guess what? You never know when the tide will come. So you need to really work on your 100 points every month. So once you become a director, we have all the benefits. You have recognition. You get a pin of a director, a special folder. All directors on this call, they have a special folder with them. Director schools, you are invited. You know, you retain more now. You are paid at the highest percentage of 25%. Can you imagine? Then you earn leadership bonus. If you have other directors under you, you earn leadership bonus. And you also you qualify for more incentives because there's 6,800 for all the directors who are consistent every month. The third month, they get 10,000 shillings. Okay. And you also attend the convention for free and attend the red carpet dinner during the convention, including our convention. And you are on your way to World Team, to becoming a World Team member. Remember, like for our team, we bring you to a 5-star dinner. So that is very, very exciting. So become a director. And actually, everyone who joins Neolife or Superstars team, we encourage you that you work on becoming a director. So on this call, we are over 80. And if all of us becomes directors in the next 6 months, I'm telling you, our business will really blossom. So let's work on that and make sure you are working with your upline director. Now, for all this to happen, I encourage people that they need to do some things that are very, very important for you to grow in your business. There are so many people who just sign up in the business and they wait to earn a bonus. It's not possible, friends. You have to train. As I said earlier, like for me to be a teacher, to qualify to go and teach in a classroom, I had to go through school. I had to go through some training. And actually, it was not just some training, it was a lot of training. And I was actually paying school fees. And guess what? I was paying school fees in the tune of thousands or $1 million even for people to qualify to go out and work. But now here in Neolife, we tell you, you will be earning as you learn. So you need to keep the learning ahead of the earning. There are so many people who want to earn, but they don't want to learn. Now, Superstars, I want to give you these secrets. If you want to grow your business, always attend events. There are so many events that we have. We have these Zoom events. We have the physical events like the ones we have this weekend in Eldoret, Kericho, Kisii, Nakuru, and even Nairobi every other Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. These are events, they are very important. But more so, we also have the convention. These are bigger events now where it is international. So these conventions are very important. Please, if you hear there is an event at KICC and you just deliberately miss an event, you are losing out on your business. So that is my main advice today. And I want to take us through why we need to attend events. It's very, very important to attend events in network marketing. So there are many benefits, but I've only listed 5. Number 1, reason or why you should attend events is that you will get the social proof. So when you attend an event with several hundreds or several thousands people, you get the social proof that the business works. You know, the other day we had a convention in Tanzania. It was attended by over 2,000 people. So of course, anyone who has come there and seen all these people, they discover that, oh my God, this business is real. When you talk to someone on a one-on-one basis and you bring them to a Zoom meeting, they discover it is a good business. There are people who are doing it. So that social proof is very important. So the next time you are called upon to come to an event, very important to attend for social proof. Number 2, you will learn new skills in events. You find that in events, we have special guests, people who have done this business for so long. So events teach us new skills that they can use, that people can use to take their business to the next level. Number 3, you will also hear success stories in events. So you get to hear success stories from other people, from all walks of life. You know, you are used to listening maybe in our team to teachers, to, you know, but when you come out there and attend big events, you get to understand that there are so many other people from all walks of life and you can be able to use their story. So this gives you hope that you can accomplish the same thing in the business. Number 4, why you should attend events is that there is that power of association. Remember, in our business, you are associating with the right people, positive-minded people. So spending time with people who have similar values, beliefs, and goals. We always want to spend time with people who lift us up. And of course, whenever you attend an event, and I'm sure those who have attended events can bear me witness. Last Saturday, we had an event at KICC. Anybody who came there, their belief is now stronger because they came to associate with the right people. So it's very important you will be able to associate with people who are lifting you, okay? Then number 5, you resell on the business. You get sold out, you get resold on the business. Every time you go to a live event, you get resold on the business, the excitement. It's very important because most people are doing the business part-time and you're trying to squeeze it into their already busy life. So you will get the result in the business. You will meet the likes of, people who have really done the business and you get result in the business. So you get renewed, you get more energy to grow your business. So events are really very important. So we have so many events that are coming back in 2022. And I want to give us some ways to invite people to events. So you are a member 1, you must attend those events. But now, even without, with the guests that you are inviting, like for example, the event in Eldoret, the event in other areas or Nairobi, you have to promote the event. Talk nice about the event. Tell people the value they will get in the event. So promote the event. Number 2, be an example. Why are you becoming an example? Because we lead by example. So be there. If it is registering for the event, register. Be the first one to register for the event. Number 3, make the event a priority. I see people who tell me, oh, Pia Rose, if I get time, if I will not have anything to do, I'll come to that event. Obviously, I know this is somebody who is not serious in the business. So make events to be a priority and don't buy into excuses at all. People have excuses and excuses cannot make success, friends. So we need to never buy into an excuse. People will give you all sorts of excuses, but excuses will never make success. So for your business to work, you have to get rid of excuses. Don't have excuses as to why you cannot attend events. So events make money. Make it a priority to go to events and you'll find yourself on the path to go all the way to the top. So I remember when we joined the business in 2010, we were told never miss an event. And for sure, for the last 12 years, we never miss events. We are always making sure, Josphat and myself, we are in all the events, all the conventions, all the events that the company puts, as long as we have qualified for the event. Now, there is something here that I have put across that because there are so many people who listen to other people, discouraging them, telling them that the business does not work. But what I say is this: he who listens to people who have not succeeded in network marketing are bound to fail. So if you listen to somebody who has not succeeded in the business, you are bound to fail. So you don't ask medical advice from a plumber. You can't go to a plumber and ask them, oh, what do I take? Can I take aspirin? So why are you getting advice from those who have not been successful? So if you must get any advice for your business, get it from the successful people. So these are the people you look up to. In fact, for me, I was told the first instance when I joined the business that if I want to grow my business, I only follow people who have what I want. So do you want to be a director? Ask advice from directors. Do you want to be a president team member? Ask advice from president team members. That is very, very key. And take note of this. Don't allow people who don't know what they are talking about drag you down. So let us all go out and get mentors, get people who are going to mentor us. And the last thing I'm going to say is treat your business like a business and it will pay you like a business. If you treat your business like a hobby, it will cost you like a hobby. So as Superstars team, we always value working the business with a lot of commitment. You have to be very committed. You treat it like a business. If you have a shop today, what will happen? You'll go to your shop. You are going to open your shop every morning to make sure that, and you will even close late to make sure that you earn money from the shop. So why are people treating the business like a hobby? Don't treat it like a hobby. Do all that it takes to make sure that you grow your business, and guess what? Your business will grow. And the last thing is believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, then nobody else will believe in you. So sometimes you're asking yourself, why am I not recruiting people? Why are people not joining me? Check on your belief system. Your belief system is very, very important for your growth in the business. So superstars, I want us to go out and really work the business. I believe you have learned something from what I have been able to teach today, and we are ready to grow our businesses. We want to really, 2022, I know from this call, I can see Helena Mupetani. She's waving at me. In 2022, all of us, we can make steps, even to Sapphire Director, Ruby Director, and even to be President team members, because it is doable. If others have done it, if Josphat and myself, we have done it, then you can do it better than us, and we are going to support you. Remember when we train you and we have had 11 years of success, we are using our 11 years experience to teach you. So you will be 11 years smarter without being 11 years older. And I wish you all the best. God bless you so much. Have a great 2022, and I'll see you all at the top. Thank you very much.